Double-click the Tracks 1 to 6 button again to return to the Song Tracks window. Replacing a song track sound. Select the first track by pressing its soft button. Press the Replace Track Sound button. The TS will enter Replace Track Sound mode, just as with a sequence or preset. Select the sound Elec Keys. It's located in Bank 0 of bank said U0. Press the Replace Track Sound button again to return to the Song Tracks window. Recording a song track. Press and hold Record, then press Play. The metronome will start, and after a one-measure count-in, the TS will enter Record mode. Play a part using the Elec Keys sound through to the end of the song. If you don't want to play all the way to the end, press the Stop button when you want to stop recording. When the song has played through, or when you press Stop, you'll be presented with the audition page. Keep the new track. Quantizing a song track. Song tracks can be edited and manipulated just like sequence tracks. For example, you might want to quantize your song track. Press the Tracks 1 to 6 button to return to the Song Tracks window. If it isn't still selected, select Track 1. Press the Edit Track button. Select Quantize. Set the quantize value to whatever best suits the track, 8th notes, 16th notes, etc. Select Yes to perform the quantize operation. You'll be presented with the audition page. Play the original and the new tracks to verify that the song track quantized properly. Keep one of the tracks by pressing the appropriate soft button. Using effects with the sequencer. As with individual sequences and presets, a song can have its own effect setup. Press the sequencer control button twice to move to the second page of the Control Songs menu. Note the setting for Song Step Effect. Song Step Effect can be set to either Seek or Song. It should currently be set to Song. Please note, if Song Step Effect is set to Seek, then the effect used at any point during the song will be determined by the sequence. This allows you to use different effects during the course of a song by assigning different effects to different sequences. Leave it set to Song. Choosing a new song effect. Press the Track Effects button 3 times to move to the third page of the Track Effects menu. Press any of the upper soft buttons to select the effect algorithm parameter. Use the data entry slider or the up-down arrow buttons to select Effect 45, Chorus plus Reverb 1. The song will now use this effect. Assigning track effects busing. Select Song Track 1. This is the Elec Keys track that you just recorded. Press the Track Effects button until you reach this page. You may have to press the button several times. If it's not already selected, press the Track 1 soft button. Use the data entry controls to set this to FX1. Since the FX1 bus feeds both the chorus and the reverb in this algorithm, this will allow you to use both effects to process the electric piano track. If you wish, play the keyboard while changing the routing parameter for this track to hear the result that different effect routings have on this sound. Storage. Formatting a floppy disk. Before you can use a floppy disk to save and load data, you must format the disk. insert a blank 3.5-inch floppy diskette into the disk drive. Press the Storage button. Select Disk from the choices presented. Select Format. Select Format. The TS will ask you to confirm the selection, as formatting the disk will erase all files on the disk. Select Yes. In about a minute, formatting will be complete, and you can use the disk for data storage. Saving files to disk. The steps involved in saving sounds, sequences, presets, and other types of files to disk are all basically the same. Insert a formatted 3.5-inch floppy diskette into the disk drive. Press the Storage button. Select Disk from the choices presented. Select Save. Use the data entry slider and/or the up-down arrow buttons to set the type of file you wish to save, whether it's a sequence file, a bank of sounds, or whatever. Select Yes. You'll be given the opportunity to rename the file you're saving. Use the soft buttons, the data entry slider, and the up-down arrow buttons to rename the file. Once you've renamed the file, or decided to leave the name as it is, select Yes. In a few seconds, the save operation will be complete. And that brings us to the conclusion of the instructional portion of this video. Don't forget about the great accessories that are available from Ensoniq for your TS product. The TSD-1000, true timbral magic from this collection containing over 100 new sounds and presets for your TS. Upcoming sound libraries include the TSD-1000 International Collection, TSD-1001 with altered native sounds, TSD-1002, the Rhythm Construction Kit, and many more to follow. Don't forget about the entire EPS, EPS-16 Plus, and ASR-10 sound library. With over 3,000 sounds, this collection, which was originally designed for our samplers, can now be loaded into your TS. CD-ROMs 1, 2, and 3 are also available and can be connected to your TS using the optional SP4 SCSI interface. If expanding your sequencer memory is in your future, the SQX70 will give you 97,000 notes. Another great accessory for the TS10 is the ASR10 rack mount sampler. With total integration of sampling, onboard effects, resampling, and sequencing, the ASR10 Advanced Sampling Recorder stands apart from all other rack mount samplers. The DP4 Parallel Effects Processor would be another great add-on. 400 onboard presets, 4 signal processors, a digital patch bay, and submixing all in one easy-to-use box. The DP4 Parallel Effects Processor, the next generation in affordable effects. Whether you perform on stage or in church, teach, or simply want to have fun at home, the KS32 Weighted Action MIDI Studio gives you the feel of a true piano with the features of a MIDI workstation. A combination